Before I continue my brows, I'm going to apply Tatcha, the liquid skin canvas, to my face as my primer. On top of that, I'm going to apply the Nessamyrix Yummy Glow Serum. Using the Tarte Shape Tape and 47S Tan Deep Sand, I'm going to clean up underneath my brows, and using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer and 70NY, I'm going to clean above my brows. I'm using MAC Paint Pot and Soft Ochre to prep my eyelids. Going into the Pat McGrath Utopian Stream palette, I'm starting off with this pink shade. Going into the Norvina Pro Pigment palette volume 6. Going into this white shade right here. Also gonna tight line. For my lashes, I'm using the Ardell Fox Mink lashes, using a Tartelette mascara again. For underneath my eyes, I'm going to add a little bit of the pink as well. I'm going to my Naked palette, and the dust is just collected along it. I'm going to dip into that. Going into the middle shade and a little bit of the pink shade. I'm going to use MAC lip liner in Chestnut, and then I'm going to top my lips with Saint Germain lipstick. I want some glitter, so I'll try the NARS Sunrush lip gloss.